In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off new message alerts in Thunderbird. If those little pop-up notifications keep interrupting your focus, this quick walkthrough will help you silence them while still letting Thunderbird fetch your mail in the background. You'll keep all your messages and unread counts, you just won't see that on-screen alert each time something new lands. Start by opening Thunderbird on your computer and letting it load your inbox. Once you're in the main window, look to the upper right corner for the icon with 3 horizontal lines. That's the application menu. Click it to open the panel that gives you access to Thunderbird's tools and options. You might hear this referred to as the hamburger menu. It's the same place you'll find the app's customization settings. From that menu, choose Settings. On some systems, you may see it labeled Preferences, but it takes you to the same configuration area. The settings page opens inside Thunderbird, so you're not leaving the app or your accounts. In the settings view, select General. This section controls common behavior, including how Thunderbird handles notifications. If your window looks a bit different, maximize it or look for category tabs. General will be one of them. This is where most people fine-tune everyday experience items. Scroll through the general page until you find the incoming mails section. This group bundles the options that trigger when new messages arrive. Depending on your setup, you may also notice related choices here, like playing a sound or showing a system tray icon. We're not changing those today, we're only focusing on the visual alert. Now uncheck the option labeled Show an Alert. The moment you clear that box, Thunderbird stops displaying those small pop-up banners for new mail. There's no save button needed, changes take effect immediately. Your accounts will keep syncing, your folders and message counters will continue to update, and everything else stays the same, just without the interruption. A couple of quick tips before we wrap up. If you ever miss the pop-ups and want them back, simply return to this exact spot and turn the option on again. Also remember that your operating system's notification settings can influence what you see. Thunderbird's alert is separate from OS level notifications, so any system rules you've set will still apply. And that's it. Open Thunderbird, use the menu to get to settings, head to General, find incoming mails, and clear Show an Alert. Enjoy a calmer workspace while your email keeps flowing quietly in the background.